Hi everyone, it's April from Crafty Goodness. I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys what I've been working on. I started playing around and making these little 3D embellishment flowers. I thought they would be really cute on a card or even on top of a present. So I'm going to show you how to make them really quick, just a quick tutorial, but I just wanted to show you some of the ones that I've done. So this one's only 2 layers. I mean, you can make them as dimensional or non-dimensional as you want. So supplies you're going to need 2 separate paper punches. So this is the first one. This is the main piece. So this is going to make all of the flower petals or the flower part. So you're just going to, and I don't know what kind of flower this is, but this is the one that I liked because when you cut it, let me find one. When you cut it, it's gonna look like this. But then you, so I punch a whole bunch of these out while I'm watching TV or whatever, and then I just sit there and kind of mold them like this. And it just kind of gives the petals a little bit more dimension and makes them look more realistic. So that's what it ends up looking like when I'm ready to put them together. But that's what this is, and this is a recollection. So I got this at Michael's, and this is the 2 3/8 inch size punch. So I use this, and then the other part I use is the inside part for the seed pod or whatever you want to call it. It's going to punch out little pieces that look like this. And this is a daisy punch. I ordered this from Amazon. This is the 1.5 inch. So, I mean, you can use whatever size you want. But I figured since this is 2 3/8 and then this was going on the inside of the flower, I would do something smaller. I could have even done a 2 inch. I think that would have looked good too, but I went with the 1.5. You are going to need, obviously, punched out cardstock, whatever kind you want. I actually had a few pieces of paper left and some cardstock that I had from last season that I wanted to finish up, so I was using those. You're going to need your glue gun, if I didn't say that. You're going to need foam tape. So this is the kind that I get from Dollar Tree that I'm obsessed with. I love it so much. I've already used quite a bit of it and I still have this much left. It does little rectangles this size. You could obviously use circle foam tape or whatever. You could use whatever you wanted, but I like the foam tape because I like to give it dimension in between the layers. And then for the middle part, I use these little glitter balls from Dollar Tree, and these are the gold and silver. And then I also got these from Hobby Lobby. These are the white and the red. So it's kind of up to you, whatever you want to do. So we're gonna put one together right now. I've already got my leaves molded and everything. So we're gonna start with the bottom layer. We're gonna put our little piece of tape on there. We're gonna peel off the top. And then we're gonna start with our next one. And with our next one, we're gonna kind of catty corner the petals. Oh, that didn't go on there right. We're gonna catty corner them, so just like that. See how I did that? And then the next one, same thing. We're gonna go around the, follow the leaves from the first one. And I just kind of press down as I go. So now you kind of have a template and you can work off of the first one that you put down. And again, whatever kind of cardstock you want to use. I obviously have a ton of Christmas cardstock out right now, so I'm just kind of playing around with that. But you could make these for any time of the year. I mean, they're so cute, and you can make them as tall as you want, dimensional wise. Like I said, I made a few with just 2 pieces, and then the middle part. Like this one, I only have 2, no, I've got 3 on this one, but see how cute that is? It still looks adorable. I know I have one that I only, here's one. This one, nope, that one's 3 as well. Just kidding. Okay, so we're done with that part. I only did that many layers on this one. Super cute. Then we have our middle piece right here. I'm going with a red to kind of match with the other papers, but again, you can do whatever you want. What kind? We'll do gold. So I just kind of grabbed from my bin here, but you can use whatever size you want. I personally like the middle size. And now we are going to put a dab of, let me get into frame, put a dab of glue right there on the base. We are going to stick our glitter ball on the bottom, right like that. And as you can see, I have this finger right here. I'm pressing down on the glue to adhere it to the glitter ball, and then I'm going to move these petals up all around just to kind of form it. Just like that. And then we're going to glue that part to the center. And that's it. Super simple, super easy, and super cute. Day of the word is super, obviously. And then if you want to go one step further and just go ahead and get these ready for whatever it is you're going to do, put one of these on the back so it's ready to go. So then all you have to do is just peel that piece off and you're ready to go. Yeah, so easy, you guys. And I just wanted to show you how cute they turned out. I gotta say, I'm loving this green one right here. Here's one with only 2 layers, and it still looks so adorable. This one I did a bunch of layers. See that? You can play around with the cardstock colors. I mean, make them whatever you want. So yeah, so that is so this is the big ball, the big glitter ball. And then this is the medium size, and then that's the small. So you can see the different sizes that I have got going on here. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're a new viewer, hi, welcome. Thanks for joining. And I'd love for you to subscribe and become part of my YouTube friend group. And also hit that bell notification so you can be notified of any upcoming future videos that I have. And that's about it for today, guys. Thanks so much for joining. Have a great day. Bye.